Hello out there, good morning. This is to commemorate the Father's Day, my father. This is the candle that will light him through for thanking him to have our life. Apple scented candles, and this is the memory of my great father. Mr. Bonifacio Sanchez Landicho, Kuya Pase Tumeni. Happy Dad. Nanay ko, magkita-kita na lang po tayo, basta ako'y bahala na, kaya talaga sa buhay na ito. Kuya Owel, baka meron ka naman dyan, padala mo naman ako kasi parati to si Ray iniipit lang parati, kaya wala tuloy nangyari sa akin siya to si Perdi yata pakatapos si Kwan, ano ba to, si Bob. Ewan ko, nagtatrabaho si Bob. Ako magme-maintenance na naman mga properties nyo ni nanay, pero yung hindi ko papakilaman yun. Bibili na lang ako 5 pisong yung chocolate in the cup, 5 pesos lang. So paano, ingat kayo dyan, at until our next meeting, to the journey, and hello to Madam Ade and family. God bless.